Yo, travelers! Ever dreamt of stumbling upon a hidden world? A place where reality seems to bend and the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary? What if I told you Florida, yes, the Sunshine State, has a beach where the sand glows blue under the cloak of night, a jungle teeming with secrets and whispers of real pirate treasure, and even an abandoned NASA space shuttle, a relic of human ambition that you can actually touch? Forget the crowded tourist traps and the neon lights. And no, none of these incredible destinations are in Miami. We're diving deep into the heart of Florida's hidden gems, uncovering the unbelievable adventures that await beyond the well-trodden path. Get ready to have your perception of Florida completely transformed. First stop, prepare to be amazed because this place makes Pirates of the Caribbean look like a kiddie pool. We're talking about a real-life treasure hunt, a journey into the depths of history and legend, where the spirit of adventure is alive and well. Forget the movie sets and special effects. This is the real deal. A chance to step into a world of swashbuckling pirates and untold riches. So grab your map, sharpen your sword, metaphorically of course, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable quest. Everyone does Disney and South Beach, but today, we're diving into the real Florida, where waters turn to liquid rainbows, ghost towns hide mobster secrets, and you can swim with dinosaurs. Let's go! This isn't CGI, it's nature's rave. Paddle through water that glows like Avatar when you touch it. Local hack, go during new moon for max brightness. How did a 100-pounds man build this one? 000-ton castle alone. Theories say aliens or lost Atlantis tech. The wildest part? You can move these megastones with one finger. Forget the Pacific Northwest, folks. Florida's got its own Bigfoot, a legendary swamp ape shrouded in mystery and questionable odors. And get this, there's a mad scientist out here deep in the Everglades offering a cool $500 for solid proof of its existence. That's right, cold hard cash for a glimpse of the Sunshine State's stinkiest resident. So naturally, I'm diving headfirst into this bizarre quest. Join me as we brave the mosquito-infested wilderness, decipher cryptic clues, and hunt the elusive stinky ape. But here's the real kicker. I've stumbled upon some evidence that's raising serious eyebrows. Let's just say his last photo looks suspiciously like a dude in a gorilla suit enjoying a day at the beach. Could this whole thing be an elaborate hoax? Or is there something truly wild lurking in the Florida swamps? Only one way to find out. Hold up! Before we continue, smash that like button right now. Why? Because YouTube's algorithm is watching and spots 4. 10 include a real Jurassic Park and how to sleep inside a pyramid. Spot hash 4, Rainbow River. Imagine a place so pristine, so unbelievably clear, that it looks like it's been plucked straight from a dream. This isn't just any river, it's Rainbow River, a natural spring that flows with such clarity it seems almost photoshopped. The sunlight dances on the water's surface, creating a mesmerizing display of colors, turning the river into a liquid rainbow. It's a spectacle that will leave you breathless. The vibrant hues reflect off the lush greenery that lines the banks, creating a scene of unparalleled beauty. This isn't just a place to visit, it's an experience to be savored. Locals whisper tales of the river's hidden wonders, saying you can spot playful otters frolicking in the shallows, graceful turtles gliding beneath the surface, and even glimpse ancient fossils embedded in the riverbed while you gently float along. Imagine drifting down this crystal-clear waterway, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature, with the possibility of uncovering a piece of history with every glance. It's an adventure that combines relaxation with discovery, offering something for everyone who seeks its magic. The gentle current carries you along, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the tranquility of this natural paradise. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or simply looking for a peaceful escape, Rainbow River promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of Florida's natural beauty. Spot hash 5, Ghost Town. Venture deep into the Florida woods, where sunlight struggles to penetrate the dense canopy, and you'll stumble upon a place lost to time, a ghost town. This isn't just any abandoned settlement. It's a relic of a bygone era, a place where the past lingers in the air like a forgotten melody. The weathered buildings stand as silent witnesses to the stories of those who once called this place home, their secrets etched into the decaying wood and crumbling foundations. The atmosphere is thick with mystery, a palpable sense of history that sends shivers down your spine. Rumor has it that during the tumultuous days of Prohibition, notorious mobsters sought refuge in this secluded town, using it as a hideout to stash their ill-gotten loot. Legends abound of hidden treasures buried beneath the dusty streets, waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to seek them out. Some say you can still find secret tunnels snaking beneath the town, used by the mobsters to evade the law, and bullet holes peppering the walls of the old saloon, remnants of daring shootouts and clandestine meetings. As you wander through the deserted streets, you can almost hear the echoes of laughter, the clinking of glasses, and the murmur of hushed conversations. The ghost town is more than just a collection of abandoned buildings. It's a portal to another time, a place where you can step back into history and experience the thrill of uncovering the secrets of the past. Spot #6, Devil's Den. Are you ready to take a plunge into the past? Get ready to swim with dinosaurs, or at least the remnants of their world. Devil's Den is no ordinary swimming hole. It's a prehistoric spring, a hidden cave that plunges deep into the earth, offering a unique and unforgettable snorkeling experience. Imagine yourself suspended in crystal-clear azure water, surrounded by ancient rock formations that have stood for millennia. This isn't just a swim, it's a journey back in time, where you can explore a world that existed long before our own. The water is so incredibly blue, it seems to glow with an otherworldly light, creating an ethereal atmosphere that will captivate your senses. As you glide through the water, keep your eyes peeled for ancient fossils embedded in the rock walls, remnants of creatures that roamed this land millions of years ago. Snorkel with ancient fossils all around you, a tangible connection to the Earth's distant past. Devil's Den is a geological wonder, a place where you can witness the power of nature and the passage of time in all its glory. It's an adventure that combines the thrill of exploration with the serenity of the underwater world, offering a truly unique and unforgettable experience. Spot #7, Pirate Jungle. Ahoy, mateys! Prepare to embark on a treasure hunt like no other in the mysterious pirate jungle. Legend says that real pirate treasure is buried somewhere within this dense, untamed wilderness, waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to seek it out. The air is thick with the scent of adventure, and the rustling leaves whisper tales of swashbuckling pirates and hidden riches. Over the years, locals have stumbled upon tantalizing clues, finding old coins glinting in the sunlight and rusted swords buried beneath the tangled undergrowth. These discoveries only fuel the legend, adding to the allure of this enigmatic place. But beware, the pirate jungle is not without its dangers. Just watch out for the wild boars that roam these woods, guarding their territory with fierce determination. They are the modern-day protectors of the pirates' secrets, adding an element of excitement and peril to your treasure hunt. So grab your map, sharpen your senses, and prepare for an adventure that could lead you to untold riches. The pirate jungle awaits, promising a thrilling journey into the heart of Florida's hidden history. Spot #8, Pyramid Hotel. Ever dreamt of spending the night inside an ancient wonder, but with all the modern comforts? Now you can. You can actually sleep inside a giant glass pyramid, a unique and unforgettable experience that will transport you to another world. This isn't just a hotel. It's an architectural marvel, a towering structure that dominates the landscape and offers breathtaking views from every angle. The rooms are designed with a touch of mystery, featuring secret passages that lead to hidden nooks and crannies, adding an element of intrigue to your stay. Imagine exploring the hotel's hidden corners, uncovering its secrets, and feeling like you're part of a real-life adventure. And the best part? The rooftop offers a panoramic view of the Everglades, a vast and untamed wilderness that stretches as far as the eye can see. It's like staying in a real-life mystery novel, where every corner holds a new surprise and every view is a masterpiece. The Pyramid Hotel is more than just a place to sleep. It's an experience that will ignite your imagination and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Spot #9, Jurassic Park. Okay, let's be clear. Not the actual movie Jurassic Park with rampaging velociraptors, but Dinosaur World is the next best thing. A prehistoric playground where you can step back in time and encounter life-size dinosaurs in all their glory. Walk among these colossal creatures, marvel at their immense size and intricate details, and imagine what it must have been like to live alongside these giants. But the fun doesn't stop there. You can also dig for fossils, uncovering ancient treasures, and learning about the fascinating history of these prehistoric beasts. And if you're feeling competitive, you can even race a T-Rex. Sort of. There are plenty of games and activities to keep you entertained, making Dinosaur World a perfect destination for families and dinosaur enthusiasts of all ages. It's a place where you can learn, explore, and have a roaring good time. And now, after all these incredible discoveries for the wildest secret of all, a place so shrouded in mystery, so unbelievable, that it will challenge everything you thought you knew about Florida. NASA dumped real space shuttles here, and you can scuba dive them. The catch? You'll be swimming with 8-foot groupers that think they own the place. Boom! Now you're ready to flex on every basic Florida tourist. Drop a comment with which secret blew your mind, and subscribe because next week, we're breaking into an abandoned zombie apocalypse theme park.